Starting a YouTube channel is so exciting. You have a great idea. You have a passion you want to share with the world. Maybe you love gaming or cooking or teaching people new things. You hit the record button for the first time. You feel a mix of nerves and pure joy. You upload your first video. Then you wait. Maybe one person watches, maybe 10. It feels small. But remember this very important truth. Every single big YouTuber you admire started just like you. They all started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. They all had that same dream in their heart. Your journey is just beginning, and that is a powerful place to be. The world of YouTube is bigger than ever. You might think it is too crowded. You might think you are too late to the party. That is simply not true. There is always room for a new voice. There is always room for your unique personality and your special ideas. People are always looking for new creators to watch and connect with. Your small channel right now is a seed. With the right care and the right strategy, that seed can grow into a huge, strong tree. This essay will give you the water and sunlight you need. It will show you the simple steps to take to grow your channel. Think about your favorite YouTuber. Do you remember when you first found their channel? They probably had more subscribers then, but they also had a beginning. They learned and they grew. They made mistakes and they got better with every single video. That is the path you are on now. It is a path of learning, creating, and connecting. Don't compare your first chapter to someone else's chapter 20. Your journey is your own. The goal is not to be a copy of someone else. The goal is to become the best version of your creative self on this amazing platform. Your dream is valid, and it is absolutely possible. So let's get you started on the right foot. We're going to break down everything into easy, simple steps. You do not need a fancy camera that costs thousands of dollars. You do not need a Hollywood movie studio in your house. What you need is a plan. You need to understand what makes people click on a video. You need to know how to keep them watching. And you need to learn how to turn a viewer into a loyal subscriber. Are you ready to learn the secrets? Let's unlock your YouTube potential together and turn that big dream into a reality, one video at a time. The adventure starts now. So, how do you turn that seed of a channel into something that grows, blooms, and thrives? Let's break it down into simple, powerful steps you can start using today. First, consistency is your superpower. Upload on a regular schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, let your viewers know when to expect your next video. This builds trust and keeps people coming back for more. Imagine your favorite show airing at random times. You'd probably stop watching, right? The same goes for YouTube. Next, let's talk about first impressions. Your thumbnail and title are your invitation to viewers. Make your thumbnails bright, clear, and easy to understand, even at a small size. Pair them with titles that spark curiosity but stay true to your content. No clickbait needed, just honest, intriguing headlines that make people want to know more. But it's not just about getting clicks. Once someone is watching, keep them engaged. Start your videos with a hook, something interesting or surprising right from the beginning. Keep your energy up and your message focused. Remember, every second counts. Now, connect with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions at the end of your videos, and encourage viewers to share their thoughts. Building a real community is one of YouTube's greatest rewards. When people feel seen and heard, they stick around and tell their friends. Finally, always deliver value. Whether you're teaching, entertaining, or inspiring, ask yourself, what will my viewers get from this video? Give them a reason to subscribe by making every video worth their time. Check your analytics too. See what's working, what's not, and don't be afraid to experiment. Growth isn't always a straight line, but every step forward counts. Remember, every big channel started small. With consistency, creativity, and care, your channel can grow too. Keep going, keep learning, and keep sharing your unique voice. The journey might be long, but every milestone is worth celebrating. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Let's unlock the advanced strategies that top creators use to accelerate real growth. Start with YouTube Analytics. Dive into your audience retention graphs and pinpoint exactly where viewers drop off or stay engaged. Look for patterns in your best videos. What topics, formats, or lengths keep people watching? Use these insights to shape your next uploads. Next, A/B test your thumbnails and titles. Try 2 versions and see which one gets more clicks. Small changes can make a big difference. Don't overlook YouTube Shorts and community posts. Shorts are a powerful way to reach new viewers, while community posts keep your audience engaged between uploads. Optimize for suggested and browse features. Use relevant keywords, tags, and create playlists that encourage viewers to binge your content. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Joint videos, shoutouts, or live streams can introduce your channel to new audiences and build lasting connections. Finally, build your brand beyond YouTube. Share behind-the-scenes moments on social media, start an email list, or launch your own website. The stronger your brand, the more loyal your audience becomes. Growth isn't about luck. It's about smart strategies, constant testing, and never settling for good enough. Keep pushing your limits and watch your channel soar.